To use the espresso machine, first you want to make sure that you have water in it. So the water tank pulls out here, and you can fill it at the sink, and then just drop it back in and give it a little push down. This is the on switch, and you want to let it warm up until this heating light goes out. Take your portafilter with the temped coffee, and it just kind of clicks in this way, and you push it to the right to lock it in. The machine is ready now. Get a mug or whatever you're using and turn this switch to the right to brew. It doesn't stop on its own, so you just need to kind of brew to your personal taste. And then if you're making an Americano, you can remove the filter basket and just brew more hot water into your mug. Or for a latte, there's the steam one. Get some milk in the cup. And turn this knob to the left instead. So I'm not going to do the whole process, but you get the idea. And then when you're done, make sure to clean off the steam wand. One other thing is this drip tray is fairly small, so it generally needs to be emptied after making maybe 2 cups of coffee. Just pull it out, take it over to the sink and dump it out and rinse it off. And that's it.